Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And you may recall in an earlier video, we talked about trying to make it here to Tom's Thumb, the top. We made it. Yeah, today was a beautiful, clear day across the area. Oh, I say clear. Yeah, a few clouds off in the distance, but we didn't have to deal with the showers and thunderstorms like we did the other day when we were on some of the trails that are at the base of the Tom's Thumb Trailhead. And I got to tell you, the payoff has been worth it. It's about 2 miles up here, then it'll be 2 miles back. You need to be in pretty good shape, have some water, some sunscreen, but I tell you what, if you do all the necessary things correctly, you'll have a wonderful time doing the Tom's Thumb Trailhead. For those of you that maybe aren't around though and can't do this one right now, I want to take you on our little adventure all the way to the top. You remember on long car trips how the kids were always going, "Are we there yet?" Well, no, we're not, but half the adventure is getting there. Hasn't this just been absolutely beautiful? Stick with us. More unbelievable sights and sounds coming up. Oh boy, are we there yet? Yes, we're getting close. Stay with us. Isn't it just absolutely beautiful though as we continue making our way up?